50. The shortest verse. In my childhood, very often in Sunday school or in some like meeting, we were asked to memorize and recite a Bible verse. More than a few lazy smart alecks would recite the Bible's shortest verse, John 11:35. Jesus wept. The adults in charge quickly forbade the use of this verse to fulfill the memorization requirements. I think many of those lazy ones are still in church, filling pew after pew and still guilty of the same offence: how to get by with the minimum effort. They provide warm bodies for the church, but not much more. They can be depended on to give as little money as possible for any cause and to complain about any mention of tithing. The pastor can count on them to be critical while always expecting much of him. They are dependable as members with a minimum commitment and with maximum judgment to pass on everyone. I can remember the adult teachers and leaders finally saying sharply, "Enough," to those boys who thought it was smart to say, "Jesus wept," as our Bible verse. Now God's patience is greater than man's, but so too is his wrath and judgment. Examine yourself. Are you one of those Jesus wept class members trying to get by with a smart aleck attitude? Isn't it time to grow up?